Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we're going to be going over a case study on my own actual AdWords campaign. I'll be showing everything. I won't be blurring anything out. I want you guys to be able to see literally everything, all my cost per purchases. I was able to drive over like 150K to a brand new Shopify store just on Google Shopping, and you'll be able to see the numbers and sort of adds up. It might be off just because this campaign is like half a year old, so there's some missing data, but I basically show you everything in this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll be going over what is possible when it comes to scaling Google Shopping. A lot of people think Google Shopping isn't as scalable as Facebook. You can't really make much revenue off it, but I'm here to prove you guys wrong and show you guys live results. So this is one of my stores that I scaled with just Google Shopping. As you can see, I was able to scale to over $100,000. I was able to hit 3K days, and this was all over a period of a few months. And this is all done off Google Shopping. And today I'll be going and taking you through the campaigns that helped me get to these numbers. Again, this is just one of the campaigns because I scaled internationally. This is just a United States campaign, and this is one of the many campaigns. I had individual product campaigns, I had other country campaigns. All that will be seen in the insanely cheap course I'm selling in the description below. So definitely check that out if you want the full case study. But take a look. For this one campaign, I spent nearly $18,000. I got nearly 1,000 conversions, $18 a conversion, nearly $15,000, 50,000 clicks, and probably 30 cents per cost per click. Now let's go into the products. Alright, so the products are all gone since this is an old store, but I'll take you into the product groups. And as you can see, I had tons of products. There's probably a lot of products missing, but it shows only 120 product groups. But don't be mistaken, I had hundreds of products to make this work. And as you can see, I had a winning product that made me 172 purchases. Also, it doesn't add up. Something's wrong with it. Like if you add this, this, and this is obviously more than the total 271. And like, how did I end up getting 1,000? So a lot of data is missing, but I'll show you what I can show you. This one product, I was getting cost per conversions of roughly $16 per conversion. I was getting 172 conversions. So this was definitely like one of my small winners, and I had the maximum cost per click as low as 15 cent Australian, so that's 10 cent USD. So that's sort of how you want to look at it. And obviously this product, it was a cost per purchase of 11. I excluded it, meaning that its profit margin was much lower. But as you can see, I had some this one was $1. I'm pretty sure this product had a high profit margin. I remember this might be like a speaker or something where I was getting profit margins of roughly $30 USD, and I was only spending $8 USD per conversion, and I got like 33. So I had a high cost per click for this product. But as you can see, this one I spent $200. So as you can see, I definitely made some mistakes. So I just let it run, and it just sort of destroyed itself, and I just lost money. I definitely lost a bunch of money during this process. But as you can see, there's tons of products. So let's sort it by most conversions. Damn, that just puts things to perspective. Like I had several big winners with over 50 conversions. You could see we have a bunch of small winners that we're getting a few hits on, getting pretty decent low cost per purchases. Here's an $8 one. Here's a 13, 9, 7, 11, $5 cost per purchase, and I got 58 at $5. That's insane. And the fact that I had the max CPC at $1, meaning it has either a decent profit margin or I wanted to scale, so I increased the cost per click so I could get more impressions. But here is just one campaign showing how I was able to scale to over $100,000 in Google Shopping. Let's see how much I was spending. Costs. Damn. So at my peak,
I spent, you want to be looking at the blue, I spent $700 and I only got 30 conversions. Maybe that's where I started losing a bit money, but like I optimized it and I stabilized, and things went down because I had to shut down my stores for some reason. I can't, because I had to shut down my store for some reasons. But as you can see, like I was scaling, then it got a bit unprofitable. So I optimized, and from here it would have kept on going stable. But something happened to my store, and I had some problems I had to deal with, so I had to shut it down. But it would have continually went stable, and I would have been able to scale it to $200-300 a day. But lucky it was just a test. I wanted to prove the concept and actually see if it worked. And it did, and now I'm able to apply it to all my branded stores. But yeah, hope this one case study helped. If you want to see case studies for my international campaigns, my single product campaigns, definitely check out the insanely cheap course I have below. It's so cheap. I'm already giving everything away for free. If you really want to put your foot and like master Google Shopping, I highly recommend it because there's a bunch of golden nuggets. I'll be applying everything here to another store, so it's a brand new example. But other than that, hope this helped. Peace.
Alright, so that was the video. If you guys want to learn how I got there and take it to the next level, check out the course below. It's hella cheap. I already gave away a course for free. So if you want to really prepare yourself when delving into Google Shopping, I highly recommend you check out the cheap course I got below, because I basically do the same thing but to a completely different store, and I go more in depth and I actually give you more info. And there's probably things I forgot to bring up and I casually brought up when I was doing it with my second store, musicchest.com, and you could pick up on those, and that could come in really handy. So if you're interested in that, it's in the description below. Other than that, if you have any questions at all, drop it in the comment below. Slide into my DMs. I've been answering everyone, so definitely hit me up. Other than that, hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace. So that's actually the last episode when it comes to this course I gave away. It was a pretty decent journey. I showed you guys literally everything from A to Z, making sure that you would have the enough knowledge I gave away for free for you guys to able to do it yourself, because I didn't want to be like those other YouTubers that sort of teased you guys with a little bit of information and then upsold you with a course. I wanted to give you literally everything, and I wanted to give you guys enough to make sure that you guys could succeed with the knowledge that I gave out. But those who are looking to take it a step further, check out the super cheap Google Shopping course that I have. It's basically what I did, a bit more in depth and with a different store, so it's sort of like a different outlook and a different example. You'll be able to see me sort of do majority of it, sort of a bit more in depth, more hands-on, more basically screen sharing of all the products. You get to see everything, so it's sort of much more clear, so it provides a bit more clarity. But other than that, I want to congratulate those who went through this whole course I posted on YouTube. Congratulations on taking that first step and making it this far. Now you have to go ahead and just apply everything that is taught. Just go through the series again and watch video 1, apply what you learned in video 1. Watch video 2, apply what was taught in video 2, and just keep on going. And those who aren't really sure about one of these steps, or sort of want to see it be done again with a different example, check out the course below. It's hella cheap. I don't know how long I'm going to keep the price this low. No one on YouTube is like giving away a course for free, as well as upselling a course for hella cheap. No one is doing it, so I'm going to be the first, and I want to see how this goes. So check it out, show some love. Also, if you have any questions at all, put it into the comments below. I'll be answering every single comment. Slide into my DMs, ask me any questions you have at all. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the series. Hopefully you guys appreciate me just giving away this whole course for free. Other than that, hope you guys have a good day. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.